Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome to the Flight Sim Deck. My name is Patrick. Today we're at John Wayne International Airport in Santa Ana, in the OC, Orange County. And right now we're listening to the ATIS to see what the weather is and what runway we're taking off from today. Two zero right. I was hoping we could do 20 left, the shorter one today, but that runway is not running, so we're not going to do it. Well, I mean, we could do it because it's just a simulator, but we are going to play by the real life rules here. So we're heading out to 20 right, and we're just going to do some pattern work today. I usually never practice a right traffic pattern, and this runway happens to be that. I also wanted to get up there and practice some of my landings. I really want to get a stall horn landing, at least one, and try to get some smooth landings. Just try to work them out and get my pattern work in. Always good to do this every once in a while with every plane possible. Just get up to find a cool airport and do some pattern work, man. It's good stuff. So we're almost there. We're going to be coming up on a right turn, obviously, and we'll be in there ready for takeoff, just about. Okay, we're now turning onto the runway. Shouldn't be much of a crosswind, it's mainly behind us. And we are up. The pattern altitude is, I knew the other one was 1056, so I think this one's close, 1062 or 1040 something, but it's still in the same range, so we're gonna stay with the 1060. We're gonna round off, and we're gonna climb up probably to about 700 feet, and we'll make our first turn. Trying to get the trim set just right. So we have reached pattern altitude. We're a little above. I think with John Wayne should be showing up right now. Just gonna look for it. There it is. And the cool thing about this is, because this is another LatinVFR airport, and I looked up a lot of videos of pattern work on YouTube, and this is exactly how it looks. I mean, they did a really good job on this scenery. Some areas are a little flat, but if you look at it just right, it's like right here is obviously not the best angle because you can see the buildings are flat, but from about, you know, upwards of 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet, Orbx scenery looks pretty good. So they modeled around here, I think, a little better than some areas in Southern California. And this is our first landing that I'm showing you. This is going to be a sequence of many landings that I've all put together for you guys to watch. Some of them I got some pretty cool angles, so I think you'll enjoy those. Almost there, still on the glide slope. Well, put the rear down good, but kind of slammed the nose into the ground. On replay, though, that would have looked perfect, so I don't know. Sometimes this airplane is hard to please on landings, but we're going to try to get some good ones today. So we're going to go up, get the flaps up, and we're going to be going on up to the pattern again and do this over again and over again. That's what we want to practice today. Second attempt on the glide slope. Not on the glide slope. But that's okay. It really doesn't matter at this point. We've made the runway. We're gonna get it. Gonna get it. That one was a little bouncy too. Alright, going up again. Flaps up. Took off a little early there, but we are in the air anyways. Oh, we're gonna make the markers too flat. Need to get on the rear. Alright, we gotta get up there. We gotta do this. It looks like fall time here. We're hanging on to it. We're gonna... Oh. Dang. Alright. See, that's why we gotta work on these. Coming in a little hot on this one. We're gonna put the flaps in pretty late. Throttle off. Hey, I don't know if you guys have heard, there's a new Titan X card coming out by Nvidia I thought about getting it, but I'm really thinking within the year or into a little bit of the next year, Q1, somebody's coming out with something that's going to blow that card out of the water too. So I'm not going to get it yet, but that'd be nice to have it. I think they're saying it's like 200% faster than the other Titan X card, but I'm just going to wait and see because they're going to tap into this a little more and give us something better soon. So I don't really want to make that big of an investment in a card and then there's a better one in 6 months. So I'm just going to wait it out and see what happens, and probably get a new card by mid next year. See what's going on in the market. But anyways, we're going to do this landing right now. Just got back on the glide slope. We're coming down for those center markers. We are in there. We are going. Haven't touched down yet. And this is a replay of the one. No, we haven't shown this one yet, actually. Because I got the air horn on this one. Best air horn one I could get all day. Now we're taking a look at a aerial replay. Touchdown. Still a little too flat though, but it's a good solid touchdown. Just need to get a little more flare in there. It's going to take some practice. Alright, here's another angle. I think this is the tower view. Different landing. I think this might be the one with the air horn. I'm not sure though. No flaps were shown because this is the replay. Wish the replay showed that stuff. I think it does on the Aerosoft Airbus, but that's the only plane I've ever seen it record some of the things like the flap settings and speed brake at the on the replay. There's a nice little wing view we got. Gotta hand it to LatinVFR. They put out some good stuff. Some of my favorite airports are out of that company. I wish there was more traffic though. That would be nice. Saw one plane coming in earlier that we had to go around for. But that was the only plane we saw coming in. Here is a cool under the plane view of the, well, we'll call this a gear view. And we're bringing it on in. I think this is a really cool camera angle. Damn near perfect, but flat again. Floating a little bit to get the airspeed up. And now we can go. And that's what it looks like behind us. Cool little airport. And okay, we jumped into this. Lastly, we're just going to show the path I took. That first one was pretty bad, got way past the airport. But the rest of them were kind of where they were supposed to be. Probably should work on my consistency with the loops, but a few of them are pretty good. So yeah, just got to work on not doing that again. But yeah, pretty solid day of practice. Well, this has been John Wayne Airport. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Probably gonna do an Airbus flight next. We'll see. Just gotta plan it. But just wanted to get some general aviation out of the way. All right. Hope you guys take care. I will see you in the next video.